how to add, delete, or change widgets in the Smart Stack on the home screen for the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen, and on the home screen, go to the home screen page that has the Smart Stack. Then touch and hold on the stack. Next, tap on Edit Stack. After that, simply tap on the Add button at the top here if you want to add in more widgets. Sorry, I just accidentally closed that. So Edit Stack, and then tap on the Add button. And here you can go down the list and select a widget that you would like to add. So here I have the mail widget that I can add it to the stack. Then tap on Add Widget, and then tap on the Add button again if you would like to continue adding in more widgets. So here I can add in, say, screen time, and then tap on Add Widget. And now you can swipe up and down to view all the other widgets within the stack. If you would like to remove a widget, simply scroll through the widget and then tap on the Remove button, and then tap on Remove, and that will remove the widget from the stack. So that is how you can delete, add, or change the widget. If you would like to make changes to the widget within the stack, just simply tap on it. So here I can tap on the widget, and then in here I can choose a mailbox, and then say unread, and then close that. And then you can scroll through another widget, and for the screen time, you can tap on that, and then you can choose family member, and then tap on the contact, and then close it. So that is how you can make changes to the widget within the stack, and how you can add or remove widget to the stack. And that's it. That is how you can make the changes. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.